Hello.
Yeah, Jenny, how are you?
Good, very good.
Yeah, it's night time in Pakistan.
I know, it's so late for you, sorry.
Yeah, no worries at all because I'm very passionate educator and I would love to learn new things. So even if it is at night around 12, I'll definitely wake up to learn more things.
Yes.
Is it 12 or what time is it there?
This is 9:55 p.m.
Okay, so almost 10. Yeah, you're
It's
11 hours.
early, not very.
Hello, Hajra. Hello, Hajra.
Hajer, not Hajira.
Hajer, yes, yeah, Hajer, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right. So shall we start now, Jenny?
Yes, let's
Yeah.
go ahead and begin.
Okay.
Okay, so Riz, you want to know how to make a Bitmoji.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course. Yes, yes.
And Haja, we saw that you had one. Cause you
Yes, I tried it.
You tried it?
Yes, it's very amazing tools.
So did you,
Yes,
what kind
I
of,
do have one. I do have one.
do you have it on your phone, on your keyboard?
Yes, I have one. I download it.
So you can add it into text messages?
Okay.
But you have to download the app on your phone.
Okay. What is the app or what is the icon of the app?
Like
Bitmoji.
yeah, it's like a green square.
Okay, let me check. Let me check with my mobile phone.
Let me
Okay.
show you.
Wait.
Looks like, I don't know if you can see.
Oh yes, there you are. Yeah, I do have. I think I do have one with me. Yeah, I think so.
Are
Let me
either of
see.
you on Snapchat?
Look, I think this is Jenny. Can you have a look?
It's got a little bit, yes.
Yes. That's
Yes,
it.
yes, that's it. Yes, you did it.
Yeah, I think so. This is yeah. But if I want, my question is, if I want to change, this icon, this bit emoji, can I change the page over here? Like, sorry.
So if you type in a word, you can type in different words and it will pull up different pictures that kind of match the words.
Okay, in search I have to type it.
Yes, in the search.
In search I need to type whatever what I type. Let's say happy. If I type happy,
That's what I was
So-
thinking. You read my mind.
so
Okay.
One thing that you'll want to do is add the Chrome extension so you can have it on your computer. So if you Google Bitmoji, so if you'll go into Google and just do a Google search for Bitmoji Chrome extension, then you can
Okay.
download that, and then when you're on your computer, you can get the same Bitmoji when you sign in, and then you can add those to a PowerPoint or a Word document or any presentation or anything you're doing.
Okay.
for emoji, you want me to add an extension, right?
In Chrome.
Okay, and from where I can get the extension?
Yeah, if you'll Google Bitmoji Chrome extension, it should pop up and you can add it to your bar in Google
Okay,
Chrome.
okay, I got it.
Yeah,
Got it.
and then you can use it, like Jenny said, you can search the same way you do on your phone, like so happy, and all the happy Bitmojis will pop up, and you can copy it and then put it in whatever you want. You can put it in your email,
all right.
PowerPoint,
And-
or
Sally, I just wanted to ask, like, can I change the bit emoji, like the one I have designed for through the bit emoji? Can I change the icon? Is it possible?
Yes, you can change its outfit and everything.
Okay, how? Can you please show me through your mobile phone that from where I can change this? Jenny, I think you are having access to bit emoji.
At the top, if you look at the top of your phone, there is a
Okay.
place where it has like shirts, and
Uh,
you can, there's different kinds of styles. so you can add different shirts. So like that's fine right now. So I can change the outfit.
Yes.
What we usually do is when we have the Bitmoji, we'll screenshot it. We'll text it to each other, and then we screenshot it, and then we save that image, send it to our computer, and then we can use it on our computer.
And if I'm doing it from the Chrome extension, then I paste it into PowerPoint and then save it as a JPEG or a PNG. Because if I save it as a PNG, then it has a transparent background.
Well, Sally, what I can see that most of times, what I have seen, both of your emojis are you can say that pasted together, like Jenny and Sally, your pictures are with each other. Like how do you join the pictures? Because usually what happens in Bitmoji, we have only one picture.
Right. So we do that with the Snapchat Friendmoji. So as long as you download Snapchat, then in Snapchat or in your text messaging, you can then get the Friendmoji together. And so it automatically generates Bitmoji, automatically generates pictures of us together. So then we just use those that are already generated together.
Okay, so you are doing you are joining or generating the pictures, you are combining the pictures in Snapchat.
It does it for me. Bitmoji automatically combines them for me, yes.
Question, Jenny, for now, I will practice it, I will try it, and if I'll be having any question, I will share with you, with both of you, with Sally and Jenny, and yes,
we will do a Bitmoji together.
Yes.
Yeah. 4 of us, that's great.
Yes.
But for the first time, I think Sally will do this for us. I will share with Sally my Bitmoji, and you can combine the photos because I'm unable to do at first place.
She's great with that. All right, well, you all have a great day. So nice visiting with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
One more time.
Jenny.
Bye for now.
All right,
Take
bye.
care, Jenny and Sally. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you very much.